here's my pond bottom. This is basically my scratch coat and lining layer. I waited for just the right time to put this in, and it's that time of year where the rain's starting up light. So that makes it so I don't got to come out here and keep spraying things down. Here's my one footprint from when I climbed out. This is where I just did a little broom test to check the surface. This down here is going to get a bucket, and when I pump the water out, we're going to fill that with the liner material, shove the bucket down into it, let it ooze up out, and then we'll pull the bucket out, we'll finish it out, and let it set up dry. And then this will be all done. In the meantime, we're going to start setting rock now. As you can see, I did some of the preliminaries on the waterfall here because I had to get those set into the ground before putting the liner around it. So you notice my pond doesn't have any of this rubber plastic bullshit liner. If you got to use this, you don't know how to build a pond, and somebody lied to you. When you go to the river, there ain't no liner like this under the river, and there ain't none under the lake when you go to the lake. So if you're using that shit, you don't know how to build a pond. You got to mimic nature. It's not that hard, but it does take a little bit of work. All the materials here in this pond liner were taken on site. I bought 1 bag of cement for soil stabilizer to put with the mix, and I had to do a lot of work to make the mix. It's a special formulation. But it didn't really cost much money, it just took a lot of work. Well, this is what your first layer should look like, and this should be 2 to 4 inches thick everywhere. And that'll ensure that you ain't got no leaks forever. So here we are, stage 1 pond liner. I'm going to start putting rocks in next, give you an update.